what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So today's video is all about me playing with all those new makeup that I actually posted in Instagram. There's 80% of new products that I have never actually did a review out of it, and that is what I have on my face right now. And I would wear this look every single day because of the way it makes my eyes look. It's amazing. I mean, it's like so let's go ahead and get this makeup tutorial started right now. First, I'm going in with the Pixi Glow Tonic Glycolic Acid Exfoliating Toner. Next, I'm going in with the fresh Vitamin Nectar Glow Juice Antioxidant Face Serum. Next, going in with Skin Ink Collagen Serum. Next, I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Face Base. It's normal to oily. It primes and moisturizes your skin from makeup application, and it's an oil-free formula. For foundation, I'm going in with the Lancome Tint Ultra Wear in the shade 055 and mixing in with my Vanish Hourglass foundation in the shade Warm Honey, and then I'm gonna buff it out and blend up the two foundations on my face evenly. For concealer, I'm going in with Milani Conceal+Perfect and Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. First, I'm gonna go and apply the Milani Conceal, and then I'll brighten it up with the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer in the number 7, and then I'll just slowly go ahead and blend that out and even it out around my face. After that, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Mercier powder, and I normally crease around my mouth area and underneath my eyes. I'm going to take this powder and pack it strongly under that and make sure it keeps in place, guys. After that is done, I'm going on to the eyes, and I'm using the new Urban Decay Ultraviolet Naked palette, and the first shade I'm picking up is called Hacked, and I'm applying that all over my crease area and also taking that and dragging that shade down to my lower lash line as well. It's like 2-in-1. Make sure you blend it out evenly, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the shade. Next shade I'm gonna pick up is called Digital, and I'm gonna just blend that to my outer eye, to the center of my eye, just to give it a little bit of dimension. And then I'm gonna pick up the same brush which I use Hack and just blend it out so there's no harsh lines. Next, picking up Purple Dust and blending it up to my crease area and dragging it down to my lower lash line. It gives a little bit more dimension to my corners. Next, I'm actually concealing my eyes. So as you can see, my technique, I apply a little bit of concealer and then I look up so I know where my crease is, and then you slowly carve out your eyelid crease. Take your time, guys. Next, I'm picking up the shade called Euphoric and applying it to the outer V of my eyes, and then picking up the shade called VR and packing that to my inner corner of my lids, and then just blending that two together. Oh my god, it's just amazing. Once that is done, go ahead and blend the edges out so that it will not be so harsh around the crease area. Then picking up a little bit of Dazed and applying it to my inner corners. Now picking up the shade Lucid and applying it to my bottom tear duct just to give it a little bit of pop of color. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown, and watch me do my brows. Once that is done, I'm gonna use the same shade called Lucid and highlight my brow bone. I mean, like, oh my god, look at that highlight. Going in with the Benefit Roller Eyeliner, my favorite eyeliner because it goes over anything, guys. Eyeshadows, glitter, you name it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes on. I'm using the Ardell Glamour lashes in 415 Black. It's simple, it's light. For mascara, I'm going in with the Tarte Light Camera Flash Mascara and applying it for my upper lashes and my bottom lashes. For contouring, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Warm Bronzer in the shade Island Thing. Going in with the Urban Decay Afterglow 8 Hours Powder Blush in the shade Bittersweet. It's a purple blush. But wow, we need to carve out and chisel our cheekbones because we need to clear all that mess up. Lipstick, I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade suck it. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in the shade Hustle Baby and applying it to my face. And then I'm just gonna set my entire face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Matte Vaporizer Mattifying Spray. And we are done, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.